Hi everyone, in this video we'll create a JavaScript program that checks whether two or all three of the given set of numbers have the same rightmost digit. Let's get started. Our task is simple. We'll take three integers and see if any two or all of them share the same last digit. This is useful for certain number validation checks and comparisons. Here's our main code. We define a function called same last digit with the parameters p, q, and r. The function checks if the last digit of any two or all three numbers is the same using modulo operations. Let's break down the function. It returns true if any two of p, q, and r have matching last digits. We use the modulo operation %10 to extract the rightmost digit of each number. In this example, all three numbers 22, 32, and 42 have the same last digit, which is 2. So the function returns true. In this example, 102 and 302 both have the last digit 2, as does 2 itself. Therefore, the function returns true, as all three share the same last digit. In this case, 20, 22, and 45 do not share the same last digit. Each one ends differently. Therefore, the function correctly returns false. Here's the ES6 version of our function. Using an arrow function, we keep it concise while maintaining the same logic and functionality. And that's the complete program. We've successfully created a function that checks the rightmost digits of the three numbers, returning true if any two or all of them match. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.